Nubia Z60 Ultra. RAM 8GB, 12GB, 16GB. LPDDR5X. Storage 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. UFS 4.0. Chipset: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. CPU octa-core 3.3 GHz. GPU Adreno 750. 6th generation AI engine. Display 6.8 inches. AMOLED, 1 billion colors, HDR10+. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Peak brightness 1500 nits. Resolution 1116 by 2480 pixels. 400 ppi. Bluetooth 5.4. Headphone jack Type-C. NFC. GPS. Dual SIM 5G. Stereo dual speakers. DTS HD sound. Wi-Fi 6. Main camera: 50 megapixel, 35mm, standard camera. 64 megapixel, 85 mm, periscope telephoto camera. 50 megapixel, 18 mm, ultra-wide camera. Video recording 8K, 30 frames per second. Selfie camera: 12 megapixel, wide camera. Video recording 1080p 30 frames per second. Height 164 mm. Width 76.4 mm. Battery 6000 mAh. Charging 80 watts. USB Type-C 3.1. Sensors: fingerprint, G-sensor, electronic compass, gyroscope, proximity, ambient light, sensor hub. Thickness 8.8 mm. Weight 246 grams. OS: Android 14. MyOS 14. IP68 water and dust resistant.